Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am talking about how to hide your computer folder. To my friend, let's start the video. First, create a folder as like me. This is number 1, and now I can create another folder in this area, number 2. As like me, I want to hide this folder because if someone I don't want to share anyone to see this folder. If someone to already browse my computer, use my computer, so what you do, first you need to click the folder, right click the folder, then go properties, then here you see my cursor is this hidden, select hidden, then can apply. Okay, now okay, here you see number 1 folder is here, but the number 2 folder is not seen by the area. I give you the fulfill. Here is my first folder. I already create another folder in under the folder. When I can open this, here you see no any folder in this area. If someone use my computer, he don't see my in this folder. So now I can show you how to you can back this folder. First you open any folder, then click organizer button, then click folder search option, then view option, then show hidden file and folder or your drive. See the cursor my friend, just click here, then apply and OK. You can see this is the folder I can a few minutes ago hide. Now this is show you, but if you want to it's alive back to first place, just click right button, then go properties, and then just you can click withdraw this hidden button. Now you can apply and OK. Now you see the folder is now previous option, first option. This is the way how you can use, how to your computer any folder you can hide. So my friend, if my video is very helpful to you, please keep subscribe my channel, and thank you so much.